Say hello.
Say hello. Yes. You.
Hello, grade 6. Good morning. Welcome to our online class. Let's welcome Master for our information number before we start with our new topic. Okay, Master, it's time you to give.
Okay. Thank you, teacher. ใครอยากฟังทีเชอร์ร้องเพลงไทยไหมครับ อยากฟังทีเชอร์ sing a song
I can sing.
Thai language
I can sing Thai.
โอ้ยโอ้อยากฟังไหมครับ อยากฟังส่งหัวใจมาให้หน่อยครับ เดี๋ยวทีเชอร์เขาจะ sing a song Thai language นะคะ อะไรนะคะ อยู่ๆมานะคะอะไรเนี่ยคามินส่งหัวใจมาแล้วที่เธออยู่ต้องซิงa songแล้ว
Okay, you start, Master.
โอ้ยอย่านะคะ นึกว่าให้ร้องนะคะเดี๋ยวให้สักเพลงปีกไก่ทอดข้าวปีกไก่ทอดเขาเดี๋ยวส้มตำฮอตดอกโบลาน่าอะไรนะบ่าวนี่
Let's give hands to Master.
พิมพ์รีพายพิมพ์รีพายมันอยู่ในโซเชียลครับแต่แพรรีพายนั่งอยู่ตรงนี้อย่าหาทำอะไรชิดชนกเธอพูดอะไรเนี่ยเอาเพลงอย่านะคะโอ้เพลงอย่านะคะเดี๋ยวเพลงต่อไปนะเดี๋ยวให้สักเพลงก่อนโอเค 5 minutes เนาะ
5 minutes.
หากว่าเธอผ่านมาได้ยินหากว่าเธอก็คงรู้ดีว่าเป็นฉันมองให้เธอคนเดียวอาจไม่เกี่ยวแต่สำคัญเพราะฉันนั้นอยากให้เธอได้ฟังมีคนอยากให้มันเป็นหนุ่มเสกที่เฝ้าแต่โทรไปหาเธอเรื่อยนี่ก็ยอมก็ใจชอบเธอไม่เบาแต่ใจอะไรครับกันไม่รู้เลยว่าเธอไม่ชอบเราไม่สนและไม่เอาไม่อยากคุยเข้ามาครับใส่แอนนะครับก็เลยมาร้องเพลงบอกแค่อยากให้เธอนั้นเข้าใจไอ้สิ่งที่ฉันทำลงไปใจสั่งมาอย่าเลยครับอย่าโกรธเลยนะคนดียกโทษให้ฉันนะแก้วตาคราวหลังจะไม่มาจะไม่โทษก็อะไรครับวันนี้เหรอครับมันเลยมาร้องบอกแค่อยากให้เธอนั้นเข้าใจในสิ่งที่ฉันทำลงไปใจสั่งมาอย่าเลยครับคนเลยนะคนดียกโทษให้ฉันเปล่าอะไรฉันจะไม่มาจะไม่โทรขอเสียงหนุ่มๆสาวๆคนโสดหน่อยครับหัวใจรำร้องอยากจะมองหน้าเธออีกสักทีก่อนจะลาเธอไปคนอะไรใจดำหน้าตาดีขอโทษเธอสักทีจากหัวใจแต่อะไรแต่มีหนึ่งคำที่ยังค้างข้างในคำพูดลูกผู้ชาย I love you
welcome back to our online class. This is episode 4. So, our new topic is all about electricity. But before that, we will have a short review. So, please comment in English so that I can record who are participating in our online classes for your attendance. Okay? So, who are present now? So, we are 31 viewers. So, we are waiting for at least 2 minutes. 2 minutes for before we start with our online class. Okay. So welcome 6/2 number 18, 6/1 number 34. Who's that? 6/1 number 44 Kahoot. Oh yeah, we will have Kahoot. Okay. So after my class, we will have Kahoot. It's all about rocks. Okay. So who are they? 6/5 number 4, Tara. And 6/6 number 4. Welcome to our online class. 6/6 number 21 and number 22. Okay, so are you ready? Okay, so today we will have a short review for about the geological disasters that we tackled last meeting. It's all about the natural calamities or natural disasters that we experience. So first is okay. So let's have a review. Okay, for number 1. So this is a matching type. So what do you think is the correct answer here? For number 1 is the outer layer, the outer layer of the earth. What is the answer? Okay, please comment in English. Number 4, avalanche. Is it avalanche? Okay, the correct answer is crust. That is the outer layer of the earth. Next number is the shaking of the ground when the plates in the earth's crust slip past each other. What do you call that? What is the answer? The shaking of the ground when the plates in the earth's crust slip past another. Earthquake, yes, correct. 6/5 number 21, Salvador, that is correct. Shaking of the earth's crust due to the movement of plates, or we call it plate tectonics, right? Okay, earthquake is correct. Number 3, the highest sea wave are usually caused by an earthquake under the sea. This is a high sea wave, a huge wave that usually caused by an earthquake under the sea or sometimes landslide under the sea. It caused what? What is that? What is the answer for number 3? May I? Tsunami, correct. Next number 4 is a scale used to measure the magnitude of an earthquake, how strong the earthquake is, like magnitude 1, magnitude 2, magnitude 3, magnitude 4, magnitude 5. So, Richter scale, yes, Senador, number 21 of 6/5. Yes, you get the correct answer. Richter scale, and the last is a very strong wind accompanied with a very heavy rain in a coastal area. So, of course, none other than cyclone. Cyclone, sometimes we use the word typhoon, okay, or hurricane. Next sets. Okay, for the next sets, we have second here. These are the scrambled word. So all you have to do is to rearrange the word to get the right answer. Like for example, dry period with rainfall far below normal. What is the answer? Yes, correct. Drought. The correct answer is drought. Next number, extreme shortage of food due to drought. Extreme shortage of food due to drought. That sometimes that is cause death. What's that? Okay, who got the right answer? Correct spelling? Okay, this second word is the word famine. Okay, famine. So this is due to a drought. When drought like lasts for like 6 months or 8 months, so it causes hunger and of course death of living things, not only for plants, and of course cause death. So this is what we call famine. And then number three is movement of mass of rock, debris, or earth down the slope. What do you call that? It is the movement of mass, debris of rock, or earth down the slope. What do you? Yes, six now. Six slash for number 16. You get the correct answer. This is landslide. And next, a mass of snow, ice, and rocks falling rapidly down mountainside. It's the same with landslide. A mass of snow, ice, and rocks falling rapidly down a mountainside. So this is, yes, correct. So avalanche, 6 plus 6, number 4, and 6 plus 5, number 21, 6 slash 1, number 44, and 6 plus 6, number 4, 6 plus 6, number 11, 6 slash 2, number 6 slash 3, number 20. You get the correct answer. This is avalanche. Okay, so hope you remember these vocabulary words like drought, famine, landslide, and avalanche. And now, let's proceed to our new topic. Please listen carefully because after this, I have a set some questions for you to answer. And after our live streaming, I will read to those who are participating in our online classes. Please comment in English. Okay, electricity. If you bring your book with you, please open your book page 107 to 121. So what is electricity? Can you imagine what you feel if we don't have electricity at home? Okay, so do you imagine that? What is the effect if we don't have electricity? So in this topic, we will learn what are the sources of electricity and how important electricity to us, especially in our daily activities. So here are some examples, uses of electricity. How electricity is very important to us. Like when you are studying your lesson at night, you need light, right? So electricity, we use electricity to use the light. Second is while you are reading your favorite books or favorite stories, so you need sound, sound. So you need also electricity, especially when you are using your phone, when you are communicating with your friends, your relatives, your mom and dad. So you use your phone. So phone needs electricity. Without electricity, phone is useless, right? Next here is, of course, computer that you are using right now. So we need computer. So many uses. Computer needs electricity to work. So here, as students, of course, everything you need is electricity. As simple like studying your lesson, communicating with your friend, and of course, preparing your food at home. You need also electricity. So here is an example how electricity works. So a simple example is what makes torch light up. Okay, this is a torch. So a torch. So in this activity that I'm going to demonstrate to you, it's how makes a torch light up. So we need the materials like a torch and dry cell. Okay, this is dry cell. Dry cell, or sometimes they call it battery. Okay, this is a simple sources or to show to us how the electricity works. Okay, so we have the two, the dry cell or the battery, and we have the torch. So why does that torch light up? So first procedure here is switch on the torch. Does the bulb light up? Okay, I'm going to switch on. Switch on, so this is the switch, and then this is the battery case, or sometimes they call it compartment. So battery case, so here's the bulb inside glass, and then this is the switch. So it's procedure number one is switch on the torch. Does the bulb light up? Okay, if you don't know a bulb, this is a bulb class. Okay, I have here example of bulb. This one, this is a bulb. This is inside the torch. Okay, so bulb. Number one, switch on the torch. Does the bulb light up? Okay, please answer. Switch on. Press it down. Does it light up? Okay. Does it light up? Just answer. Okay. So, of course, for number one, switch on the bulb, switch on the torch, and then does the bulb light up? So the answer is, of course, yes. It light up, right? Yes. The bulb light up. And then procedure number two. Open the battery compartment. So, as what I said, this is the battery compartment. Okay, so battery compartment. So let's open. And then, let's remove the dry cell or battery. So here is the dry cell. I use 1.5 volt. And then, remove the battery, and then read procedure number three. So, switch on the torch again. Does the bulb light up? Does it light up? Yes, very good. He say no. So, right? CH? Okay, the answer is no. Please answer in English. Okay, of course, no light. So the answer here is no. The answer, does the torch light up? Or does the bulb light up? So the answer here, no, the bulb don't light up. Okay, why? What is the reason why the bulb don't light up or the torch don't light up? Anybody? Why? What is the reason? Because of what? Why it don't light up? What is missing? What is missing here? Okay. You don't know. Okay, so it's because no battery, right? So I remove the batteries from the compartment of the torch. So therefore, the bulb don't light up. And number four, as in your observation class, observe the torch. What are needed to light up the bulb? Let me see your answer. So, what are needed in order to light up the bulb? Don't have battery. Yes, correct. Don't have battery. Okay, so what? What are the materials needed in order to light up the bulb? What do you think? What are those materials? Or what are the components needed in order to light up the bulb? Okay, Tanadol said batteries, wire, and light bulb. Correct. So you need batteries, you need the wire, the copper wire, and you need the batteries. Okay, very good. So in order to light up the bulb, so very important is batteries and wire in order to the load to work. So not only a bulb, like for example, a bell. A bell is also a load. A bulb is also a load. So it depends what load you are put in order to work. Okay, since battery is important to construct a circuit, we need a connecting wires and a bulb. So here are the batteries. Here are the connecting wires. Okay, in laboratory, we are using, for the safety of the students inside the laboratory, we are using crocodile wire. This one. Why crocodile? It's because look at the clip. It's look like the mouth of crocodile, right? Okay, so we are using this crocodile wire. We need this. We need a battery. And we have here also, what else? Of course, the switch. So here is an example of switch. Okay, so since we are talking about the components of a circuit, so let's identify the parts. What are the functions? Okay, so here is the components of a circuit. So number one, we have battery, we have bulb, wire, and switch. The switch, the wire, the bulb, and the batteries. So how these batteries works? Because in our activity, the source of our electricity is come from dry cell. What is inside? What is inside the dry cell, or what is inside the battery? Why it produces an electricity? So why does the bulb light up when we put a battery, or when we use the battery as a source of our energy? Okay, so battery class, this dry cell, inside the dry cell, it has a carbon electrode. This one. Once you open this, so it has a carbon electrode, and this carbon electrode can be a carbon or graphite, made of carbon or graphite. And then surround that carbon and graphite is an electrolytic phase of ammonium chloride and zinc chloride. So we call it cathode mix. And then we have the anode zinc can, and then metal top cover. That's the positive and the negative, or we call it the terminal. The positive and the negative. So here is the positive one, the positive, and then this is the negative. Okay, so symbol of battery. So always remember this. The symbol of battery, it is positive and negative sign here. That is terminal of battery. And then terminal has two ends. That is the positive and the negative. Okay, let's proceed to bulb. Why this bulb light up when we supplied an electricity? So there is a tungsten filament in the bulb. When electric current passes through it, it's heated up to give out light. So when the tungsten class is a metal. When the tungsten is heated, it produces light. So this is the tungsten inside the bulb. Okay, the tungsten, and then the contact wire, and then support wire, tungsten, contact wire, and it is covered with glass bulb. Okay, like this one. Okay, so inside that is a tungsten that produces the light when it is heated. So it is supported with wire and the contact wire, protected with the glass. glass bulbs to, of course, when we are using transparent bulb to protect the tungsten support wire and contact wire, or in short, the metal inside. Okay. Another, the symbol. Mostly we use this symbol than this, but these two are correct. Okay. But most of the time we use this symbol of bulb. Next, number 3 is the connecting wires. So connecting wire is an electrical conductor that allows the electricity. So here is the connecting wires. And it is made of metal, most especially copper, but silver is the best conductor of electricity. That's what I said, right? But we use copper because copper is a little bit cheaper compared to silver, because silver is very expensive. So copper is covered with plastic insulator. This one. Okay, it is covered for your own safety. It is covered because to avoid electrical shock. So plastic is insulator, meaning cannot conduct an electricity, or an electricity cannot flow in plastic. So that's why plastic is what we call insulator or bad conductor of electricity. Symbol, just a simple horizontal line. Okay? Remember the symbol bulb. Remember the symbol of battery. Remember the symbol of connecting wires or copper wires, or in laboratory we are using crocodile wire. Next, number 4, switch. Okay, so we have different types of switch, but in home we commonly use this switch, right? Okay, but in laboratory we are using this kind of switch to show it to you if the switch is open or closed. This is closed. Okay, this is closed, and this is open. Close and open. Okay, so open switch, the symbol is like this, simply like open like this, right? And then this is close switch. So open circuit and closed circuit. So what is the difference between open and closed? When the switch is open, meaning when the switch is open, if the switch is open, no light up. Do you observe? If the switch is closed, it, okay, light up. But if it is open, no light up. So meaning, if the switch is closed, meaning it continues the circulation of electricity. Okay, this is what we call closed circuit. When the circuit is open, meaning that is switch off. So no light up, no supply of electricity. Do you understand? Okay, it's very, our topic for today is very easy because it's the basic identifying the parts of a circuit like switch, wire, then the battery and the bulb, and also the what you call it, dry cell or batteries. Yes. Okay. Next. So if you are done with our, if you know about our activity, so you are free to ask question before we start with our games. Okay, so this games class is all about our topic last meeting. It's about rocks, because at the end of this Kahoot games, you have a unit test again. So only just remind you class that last meeting only 136 students responds to my unit test about forces. So it closed already. And today, so after this, after Kahoot, I'll give you another QR code for our unit test in rocks. Okay? Okay, are you ready? Okay, master. So we will play only this like 5 minutes or 5 minutes, because the next 5 minutes is the listening test.
Okay. 4,
This is only 15 questions for you
5,
to
8,
answer.
3, 5, 4.
Okay, you know how to write that. Please write, yes, I like this. 6/2, number 22. That's all. Write your room number and your number. Okay, I'm going to erase to those who don't have number. $28. Make it fast. We have like 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
3 minutes. 46 player. 48.
100 students.
100 students. I hope you can join us. We have how many students? 75. Not spread, please.
55.
Please room number and your number, like 6/2 or 6/5, number 25. That's all.
Two minutes.
Okay, 2 minutes. Who's this?
70.
Class Raccoon. Please. We have 69. 69. Online, 77. Okay, 72. 6/2. Who's that 6/2? How many minutes? 1 minute more. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to count 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's start.
Lost.
Only 15 questions. The limestone changes into black metamorphic rock. What kind of rock? What kind of metamorphic rock?
Oh.
Make it fast. We have only 30 seconds to answer. Okay, the correct answer is marble. Next question. Tanadol from 6/5. Okay, it is formed when sand and grain get compressed and cemented together. Conglomerate, sandstone, shale, or granite. It is formed when sand and grains get compressed and cemented together. Conglomerate, sandstone, shale, or granite.
See lại.
Okay, the correct
Sandstone.
answer is sandstone.
Inside.
From sand and grains, compact and cemented becomes sedimentary rock. Okay,
Hello.
next. Question number 3. It is a light-colored igneous rock that forms when frozen lava cools quickly on the Earth's surface. This kind of rock.
ดูดีๆดูดี
Very light rock that sometimes float in water. What is your
Easy.
answer?
ๆ easy อ่ะ
Light
teacher
colored rock.
easy
Yes, this is very easy.
very easy
It contains pools because it cools quickly. The correct answer is okay,
Pumice
pumice. Next number. Okay.
อ๋อ
Nah.
nas C classic
Number 4 question. What type of rocks formed by cooling and solidification of
Wow.
magma and lava? What type of rock forms by cooling and solidification of magma and lava? Is it igneous rock, metamorphic rock, sedimentary rock, or minerals?
easy
Yes, because I made it. I made it very easy for you to answer. Igneous, metamorphic, sedimentary, or minerals? Okay, very good. Igneous rock come from magma
อัศ
and
นีนั่นเอง
lava.
อ๋อ number 1นะ
Not again. Next question. Number 5. What type of rocks formed by deposition of materials in layers? It contains fossils. You had a clue already, right? It is formed by weathering and erosion. Igneous, metamorphic, sedimentary, or minerals. What type of rocks formed by the deposition of materials in layers? The correct answer is sedimentary rocks.
Oh.
Next number
มาแล้วโบ
6.
อิง
It is formed from magma that cools slowly. Magma is a molten rock, right? Melt rock. And it's made of 3 main minerals: mica, quartz, and feldspar.
โอ้
Okay. Is it gabbro?
วันนั้นมาเซอร์พูดไปแล้ว
Gneiss, anise,
Easy เลย
granite, or
Easy เลย
slate?
วันนั้นมาเซอ
Yes.
ร์พูดไปด้วยนะครับ
Oh, master give a clue. This is very easy. If you see the
ไม
picture.
ก้าเฟลสปาควอส
Yes, very good. The correct answer is
Yes,
granite. Next number 7. What type of rock has gone through changes due to heat and pressure? Okay, remember the words heat and pressure.
easy
This rock formed due to heat and pressure. Igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic, or minerals? What type of rocks has gone through changes due to heat and pressure?
that's sure
The correct answer is metamorphic
that's sure ควา
rock.
มดันนั่นเองความดันและความร้อน
Okay, next question number 8. This rock made by metamorphosis of shale. Okay, metamorphosis of shale. Shale is a sedimentary rock. Due to heat and pressure, this shale turned into what kind of metamorphic rock? Marble, quartzite, gneiss, or slate? Answer? Metamorphosis by shale. The correct answer is slate. Okay, slate is metamorphic while shale is sedimentary. Okay, number 9 question. Which of these is a fuel? Fuel. Okay, fuel class is come from sedimentary rocks. So you have an idea here. It is may come from, this is a sedimentary rock. So which one here? Limestone, calcite, chalk, or coal? Okay, the correct answer is, okay, coal is a fuel come from sedimentary rock. Okay, question number 10. We have 5 more questions to answer. The breaking of rocks into tiny fragments due to exposure to the atmosphere. Fragments, okay, meaning break from the parent rock. These tiny pieces of rocks break from the parent rock and then transport from one place to another. Is it compaction, weathering, erosion, or cementation? The correct answer is weathering. Next number.
Oh.
Okay, Sanadol. This is only one type of mineral. There is only one type of mineral in rock. Is it true or false? Only one type of mineral only one type in rocks. Is it true or false? Okay, so I guess 10 seconds. Next question is good for 10 seconds only, okay? Because we don't have enough time. Okay, the correct answer is false. Many different types of minerals. Okay, next, number 12. Okay, at 15 seconds. You are likely find number of igneous rocks near volcanoes. You are likely to find number of igneous rocks near volcano. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, let's see. The correct answer is true. Next question is, okay, Sanadol. Number 13, 2 remaining questions. Metamorphic rocks are formed from soil and small rocks pieces. Made of soil, the metamorphic rocks, it is formed from soil and small rock pieces. Okay, is it true or false? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay.
3,
That-
2, 1.
This is the correct answer? Okay, Canada get the correct answer. Next question is number 14. Coal is a kind of rock. Coal is a kind of rock. Is it true or false? Okay, 6. No more answer? The correct answer is true. 36 out of 60 plus. Next number. Last questions. Okay, the last question is, the magma and lava are molten rocks. The magma and lava are molten rocks. Is it true or false? Is it true or false? Okay. The correct answer is true. Okay, who are the winner? Master, can you go back? QR code. Yes. Thank you, Master. Okay, congratulations to the winner. Number 1, this standard on 6/5, number 21. And 6/4, number 16. 6 less 6, number 21, third place. Congratulations. Okay, listen carefully because this is your listening test. Okay, here is the QR code. Okay, so the listening test for 1 to 7. Are you ready? I'm going to read it to you for number 1. Number 1, you are likely to find a number of igneous rocks near volcano. Number 1, you are likely to find a number of igneous rocks near volcano. Number 2, metamorphic rocks are formed from soil and small rocks pieces. Metamorphic rocks are formed from soil and small rock
เดี๋ยวรอแป๊บนึง
pieces.
นะครับรอแป๊บนึง
Number 3 questions. There is only one type of mineral in a rock. There is only one type of mineral in a rock. Number 4, coal is a kind of rock. Coal is a kind of rock. Number 5, igneous rocks usually contain a lot of fossils. Number 5, igneous rocks usually contain a lot of fossils. Number 6, sedimentary rocks are formed due to weathering and erosion. Sedimentary rocks are formed due to weathering and erosion. And then last number 7, granite is mainly made of shells or skeletons of aquatic animals. Number 7, granite is mainly made of shells or skeletons of aquatic animals. It is answerable only for listening test, true or false. Okay, good luck. Bye-bye. See you next time.
เดี๋ยวรอแป๊บนึงนะครับ เดี๋ยวรอลิงก์แป๊บนึงนะครับ ใครที่สแกน QR code ได้นะครับ ก็สแกนเลยนะครับ หรือว่าแคปหน้าจอไว้ก่อนก็ได้นะครับเดี๋ยวรอลิงก์เป็นแถวเลยไม่ยอมสแกนกันเลยนะครับเดี๋ยวรอแป๊บนึงนะครับเรียบร้อยยังครับส่งเลยครับตอนนี้ฟังหมดไปแล้วนะครับ
มันขึ้นแล้วใช่ไหมโอเคขึ้นแล้ว
ขึ้นแล้วฟังหมดเลยนะครับโอเคใครได้แล้วกด1เลยนะครับตอนนี้ปังหมุดไว้แล้วโอเคแล้วเดี๋ยวเราพัก10 นาทีนะครับแล้วก็เดี๋ยวเรียนวิชาต่อไปเลยนะครับพร้อมนะครับให้อีก15 วิครับเร็วรีบลงเลยนะครับใครได้แล้วกด1ครับใครไม่ได้กด0ดีกว่ามี2เส้นกดปุ่มแดงโอเคแล้วพบกันใหม่นะครับ